2018 Tesla Model 3. Long-range rear-wheel drive with active Tesla warranty, Autopilot, premium black interior. This 2018 Tesla Model 3 long-range rear-wheel drive is the perfect entry into premium electric driving. Powered by a long-range battery offering up to 310 miles of EPA-estimated range, it delivers exceptional performance and peace of mind with active factory warranties with drive unit battery limited warranty that expires April 26, 2026, or at 120,000 total miles, whichever comes first. Features highlights, including long-range rear-wheel drive, smooth acceleration, efficient handling autopilot hardware. 15. Touchscreen with navigation over-the-air updates, premium sound system, all-glass panoramic roof, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, dual wireless phone charger, keyless entry, push-button start, and mobile app integration. This Model 3 has been well cared for and offers zero-emissions driving with cutting-edge Tesla technology. Whether you're new to EVs or upgrading to a smarter ride, this vehicle delivers value, style, and reliability backed by Tesla's industry-leading engineering.